All right, number 8, which is a factor of 2n squared minus 5n minus 42, and it gives us choices. Now, we don't quite have the skill set yet to break that guy down, but we know that if choice A is 2n minus 7, if that is it, then 2n minus 7 times the other guy is going to give us back a 2n squared minus 5n minus 42. So let's see, 2n minus 7. 2n times this piece has to give me a 2n squared, so that's got to be an n. And then the negative 7 times a positive 6 will give me the 42. Now, if 2n minus 7 is a factor, then this 2n minus 7 times that n plus 6 will give us back this answer right here. But I don't know that it's going to. Well, let's see. So we know that we have created the back or the front and the back piece. How about that 5n in the middle? That middle piece right here is the key. It is always created when these get multiplied and those get multiplied, when those handshakes occur, and then we put them together. So when we put that together, I have a negative 7n, and 2 times 6 is a plus 12n, which gives you a positive 5n. Is that what I want? No, I want a negative 5n. So that's not working. So I know 2n minus 7 is not a factor. So choice A is gone. We now got to go to the next guy. What about 2n minus 6? Maybe it's that guy. 2n minus 6. Well, what would we have to have? 2n times an n again would give me the 2n squared. Negative 6 times a positive 7. Okay, maybe it's that guy. Well, they both will create the 2n squared and the 42. But will they create the minus 5n? Plus 14n, not looking good. Minus 6n, that's not going to give me minus 5n. It's going to give me what? 8n? Positive 8n, no good. So he's out. Let's try the n minus 7, I guess. So n times a 2n would give me the 2n squared up front. Negative 7 times a positive 6 will give you that piece. Let's see what we get. This gives me minus 14n. Outers give you plus 6n. Oh, man, that's a negative 8n. So it's not that one. Wonder who it is. Obviously that. Let's just double check, see that our math skills are good. N minus 6 times what? This will have to be a 2n to give me the 2n squared. Negative 6 times a positive 7, right? So the n times 2n gives me the front. The negative 6 times a positive 7 gives me the back. Now let's see. The middle gives me minus 12n. The outers give you plus 7n. Gives you negative 5n. So it is choice D. N minus 6 is one of the factors, and the other factor happens to be a 2n plus 7.